How to search threads in Perplexity AI. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find it and search it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see this history-like icon. Simply tap on it. So basically, we're in this library section. Here, all the history and the questions and the queries that you have done in the past will pop up and show all the results. Here on the right top, simply tap on the search icon. So basically this is the place where you can search the threads. So here you can enter any of the thing that you had done in your past and it will automatically pop up all the suggestions and every details that you have searched in Perplexity AI. So this is a way where you can find the researches and all the works that you have done in Perplexity AI. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.